Good morning, everyone. This is Teacher Joanna, and I will be your teacher in English. Now, before we start our lesson, let us first have a spelling. Get your spelling notebooks and your pencils. Okay? Do you have your spelling notebooks already? Very good. How about your pencils? Okay, so number one, everyone, main. We don't want to live near the main road. Spell the word main. Number two, plain. The chocolate cake is nicer than the plain cake. Spell the word plain. Number three, chain. There was broken link in the chain. Spell the word chain. Number four, stain. His blood made a dark red stain. Spell the word stain. And number five, strain. I have been under a lot of strain. Spell the word strain. Okay, so number one, main. Number two, plain. Number three, chain. Number four, stain. And number five, strain. Okay, time is up. Pencils up. Let us check your answers. Okay, so everyone, number one, main. Spell the word main. M-A-I-N, main. Number two, plain. Spell the word plain. P-L-A-I-N, plain. Number three, chain. Spell the word chain. C-H-A-I-N, chain. Number four, stain. Spell the word stain. S-T-A-I-N, stain. And number five, strain. Okay, spell the word strain. S-T-R-A-I-N. So those are the spelling of the words. So who got perfect? Anyone? Very good. How about 4 points? Still very good. 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, so let's clap our hands for ourselves. You did great. So now, we are going to read some words. Are you ready? Okay, very good. Everyone, wait. Again, wait. Very good. Number two, paint. Everyone, let us read paint. Number three, faint. Okay, so everyone, let us read faint. Now, and the fourth word is waste. Everyone, let us read waste. So the words are wait, paint, faint, and waste. Can you use wait in a sentence? Okay, very good. So how much longer do we have to wait? Okay, so the word that we use is the word wait. How about paint? Can you use paint in a sentence? I like to use different colors when I paint. Very good. How about faint? Can you use faint in a sentence? His voice was very faint. Okay. So, how about waste? Can you use waste in a sentence? My skirt is tight around my waist. Very good. So now, I'm going to show you some words. Okay? So here is the first word, everyone. Beautiful. Okay? So we are going to read a sentence. Okay? So, my teacher is beautiful. So who are we talking about in the sentence? The teacher. Okay, how can you describe the teacher? She is beautiful. Who is beautiful? The teacher. Very good. And then we have the next word, fast. Everyone, fast. Okay, so let us read the sentence, everyone. She runs fast. Okay, so who are we talking about in the sentence? She. Okay, is she a girl or a boy? A girl. Very good. So, who runs fast? She. Very good. Okay, so what did she do? Runs fast. Now, let me ask you a question. Okay, so what are the words that we read we read? Beautiful and fast. So, do you know these words? Okay, so what do we call these words? Very good. Those words are adjectives. Okay, so are you familiar of adjectives? Okay, so today we are going to talk about adjectives. Okay, so what do you want to learn? What is adjective? So we are going to answer those questions at the end of this lesson. Okay, so adjectives, everyone. Are you ready to listen? Very good. So adjectives. When we say adjectives, these are the words that describes a person, place, animal, or idea. So what is the word that describes a person, place, animal, or idea? Adjectives. What is adjectives, everyone? Words that describes a person, place, animal, or idea. So if the word describes, meaning that word is an adjective. Remember that adjective describes a noun or pronoun. Do you understand me? Okay, very good. So if the word describes, what do we call that? It is adjective. What is adjective? A word that describes a noun or pronoun. Now let me tell you, there are kinds of adjectives, and we are going to talk about that today. So these are the kinds of adjectives. We have the descriptive adjectives, the numerical adjectives, and the demonstrative adjectives. So how many kinds of adjectives do we have? 3. What are those, everyone? Descriptive, numerical, and demonstrative. Again, everyone, what are the kinds of adjective? Descriptive adjectives, numerical adjectives, and demonstrative adjectives. Now, let's talk about these kinds of adjectives. Everyone, when we say descriptive adjectives, it means that it tells about the quality of a noun or pronoun. So, what adjective tells about the quality of noun or pronoun? Descriptive adjective. So, when we say descriptive adjective, what do you mean by that? Tells about the quality of the noun or pronoun. Do you understand me? Okay, so I'm going to give you an example. Example, different techniques. Okay? Appealing ads. So, those are an example. Those are the words, example words for descriptive adjective. Remember that a descriptive adjective tells about the quality of the noun. Okay? Or pronoun. Do you understand me? So what is the quality of the ad? Appealing. Okay, what is the quality of the technique? Different. Do you understand? Okay, so let's have the second one, the numerical adjective. So when we say numerical adjective, it describes number or quantity. Okay, so from the word itself, numerical, number or quantity. The adjective that describes number or quantity, what is that? Numerical adjective. Very good. What is numerical adjective? An adjective that describes number or quantity. Now, here is an example, everyone. Many people. What is the adjective here? Many. Okay? Describing the number of people. Okay? Or the quantity of people. Okay? Many people. Okay, how about, and the next one is one product. How many product? One. Okay, what is the adjective here? One. The number one. Remember that numerical adjective describes number or quantity. Do you understand me? Okay, very good. So that is numerical adjective. Now here comes the demonstrative adjective. Now in demonstrative adjective, it points out the noun or the pronoun. So the adjective that points out the noun or pronoun, what is that? Demonstrative adjective. What is demonstrative adjective, and everyone? an adjective that points out the noun or pronoun. Do you understand? Okay, very good. So let me give you an example. This crowd. Okay, we are pointing about the crowd. This crowd. And then that brand. We are pointing out the brand or that brand. Do you understand me? So what are the kinds of adjective? The descriptive adjective, numerical adjective, and demonstrative adjective. When we say descriptive, it tells about the what? The quality of a noun or pronoun. Okay, numerical adjective describes the number or quantity, and demonstrative adjective points out the noun or pronoun. So those are the kinds of adjectives. And remember that adjective is the word that describes a noun or pronoun. Do you understand me? Okay, so I have your questions and let us answer these questions, everyone. What is an adjective? An adjective is a word that describes a noun or pronoun. What is the word that describes a noun or pronoun? Adjective. What is adjective? It is a word that describes a noun or pronoun. Okay, and here is the next question. What are the kinds of adjective? We have three kinds. What are those? Descriptive, numerical, and demonstrative adjectives. Again, everyone, what are the kinds of adjectives? Very good. Descriptive, numerical, and demonstrative. Okay, so those are the kinds of adjectives. Now, what did you learn today? Today we have learned about adjectives. When we say adjectives, these are the words that describes a noun or pronoun. So the kinds of adjectives are descriptive adjectives, numerical adjectives, and demonstrative adjectives. When we say descriptive adjectives, these adjectives tells about the quality of a noun or pronoun. Numerical adjectives describes the number or quantity, while demonstrative adjectives is the adjectives that points out a noun or pronoun. So if you really did understand the lesson, let us proceed to your practice exercise. Now here is your practice exercise. You're going to answer language workshop letter B, page 144. So that is your practice exercise, and here is your evaluation. So your evaluation will be answer language workshop letter C, page 144. Now don't forget to answer your practice exercise and your evaluation because I will check it. Do you understand me? And here is your assignment. So your assignment will be answer language workshop letter D, page 145. Do you understand? So don't forget to do your assignment. Okay, so thank you for listening. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.